Find the wrong number in the given series. So let's check the difference. The difference here is 4. Difference between 7 and 15 is 8. 15 and 39 is 24. 39 and 63 is also 24. 63 and 127 is 64. 127 and 255 is 128. So here we can see that this is 2 raised to 2. This is 2 cube. The next digit should have been 2 raised to 4. That is 16. So the number 39 is the wrong number. So this cannot be written in the form of 2 raised to n. So this is 2 raised to 6. So here it should be 2 raised to 5. So here 39 should be replaced by 31 to get the correct form of the number series. So option B, 39, is the wrong number. Find the wrong number in the given series. So first let's check the difference. Difference here is 6. Difference between 14 and 26 is 12. 26 and 48 is 22. 48 and 98 is 50. 98 and 194 is 96. 194 and 386 is 192. So 6 into 2 gives 12. 12 into 2 is 24. So let's go further. 96 into 2 gives 192. So here 48 is the wrong number. So instead of 48, it should have been 50. So difference between 26 and 50 is 24. So 24 into 2 is 48. So 48 into 2 is 96, and so on. So 48 is the wrong number. Option B. In this series, find the wrong number. So first let's check the difference. Difference between 10 and 26 is 16. 26 and 74 is 48. 74 and 218 is 144. 218 and 654 is 436. 654 and 1946 is 1292. 1946 and 5834 is 3888. So 16 into 3 gives 48. 48 into 3 gives 144. 144 into 3 does not give 436. It gives 432. Then 432 into 3 does not give 192. It gives 1296. So both these are wrong, which means 654 is the wrong number. Instead of 654, it should have been 650. So the pattern continues. 1296 into 3 will give 3888. So option D, 654, is the wrong number. So here we need to find the wrong number. First let's check from the smaller digit. So 4 into 2 plus 3 is 11. 11 into 2 plus 3 is 25. 25 into 2 plus 3 is not 46 but 53. So 46 might be the wrong number. Let's check further. So 53 into 2 plus 3 is 109. 109 into 2 plus 3 is 221. 221 into 2 plus 3 is 445. So 46 is the wrong number. Instead of 46, it should have been 53. Here, find the wrong number in the given series. Look at this series carefully. We can see that here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next digit is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third digit is 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it should have been 7. Fourth digit remains same. So we can say that 5686 is the wrong number. So option D, 5686. Here this series is made up of two series, that is 3, 8, 13, 18, 23 and 2, 9, 22, 32, 42. So here the difference is 5. Here again it is 5. 13 and 18 is also 5. 18 and 23 is also 5. Let's check the next one. Difference here is 7. Here it is 13. 22 and 32 is 10. 32 and 42 is also 10. So this forms a sequence. In that case, 9 is the wrong number. So instead of 9, it should have been 12. So this difference would be 10 and this difference would also be 10. So option B, 9 is the wrong number. In this series, we need to find the wrong number. So first, let's check the difference. Difference between 98 and 128 is 30. 128 and 162 is 34. 162 and 200 is 38. 200 and 242 is 42. 242 and 266 is 24. So obviously 266 is the wrong number. Instead of 266, it should have been 288. So then the difference would be 46. So option B, 266 is the wrong number. So in this series, we need to find the wrong number. So first, let's check the difference. Difference here is 2. Here it is 1. Here it is again 2. Here it is 3. Here it is again 2. Here it is 5. 15 and 18 is 3. 18 and 24 is 6. 24 and 26 is 2. 26 and 35 is 9. So here we can see that 2, 2, 3 and 2 form a sequence. So here instead of 3, it should have been 2. The difference here must have been 2. So the wrong number here is 18. Instead of 18, it should have been 17. So the next pattern is 1, 3, 5. So instead of 6, it should have been 7. So 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. So the wrong number here is option A, 18. Here two numbers are given in bracket. We need to check which one of the number is wrong number. For that, first let's check the difference. So difference here is 2. 4 and 6 is 2. 6 and 8 is 2. 8 and 10 is also 2. 10 and 12 is 2. 12 and 14 is 2. 14, 16 is 2. 16, 18 is 2. 18, 20 is also 2. So here both the numbers are correct. So option C, both are correct, is the right answer.